Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be letting my color wheel decide what Christmas fidget I find in my fidget collection today. So before we get started, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you guys successfully completed the 5-second challenge, comment down below if you guys like Christmas and fidgets, or just Christmas fidgets. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I did something similar to this like about 2 years ago, in 2023, but with the Christmas spinner, which I'm going to be doing a video of later today. Let me just find it in here. I know what's in here. Yeah, it's right here. This spinner, I did a video on this in 2022 and 2023. In 2023, I did it with fidgets. In 2022, I did it with Christmas decorations. This year, I'm going to be doing with both. So, stay tuned for that video. But this time, the color wheel is deciding what Christmas fidget I find. So, I've done color wheel videos in the past, like finding stuff around my room, finding what mini brand I find, finding just certain fidgets. So anyways, yeah, let's get started. So I have about 15 different things on here. So in one color video that I did in the past, I spun it too hard, and then the red thing that hits against these things broke off because I spun it too fast. Yeah, it was in a color video that I did in the past. But anyway, yeah. So I'm just gonna have to stop it with my finger. So. What does that say? Santa's hat. Okay. Let me just erase that. And whatever, if I erase it and it lands on that same space, I just skip it and go along. So, Santa hat. I have a mini puppet. Alright, number 2. I probably won't be showing you guys the whole time, but I'm just going to put it here to show you guys. Oh, empty spot. Empty spot again. Candy cane. I do in fact have a candy cane. Fidget. It's in my mini puppet drawer. There it is. A candy cane mini puppet. Number 3. Oh, let me spin it harder. A mitten. That will also be in my mini puppet drawer. A mitten. I know for a fact. Oh, I also do have a mini candy cane mini puppet as well. I do have a mitten somewhere in here. There it is. It's a mini puppet with mini pops. It's a keychain. Okay, number 4. Let me put them here. Empty spot. A present. Also, guys, I don't know when this video is going to be posted, but probably mid-November this month. So, like before I go to my grandma's and stuff. Actually, no, after I go to my. This will be posted after, like during when I'm at my grandma's house. Like I'm going to my grandma's house for Thanksgiving, so we're going to be filming more Christmas videos together, and toy collector videos, and some regular videos as well. Like a Would You Rather challenge, Never Have I Ever, Who Knows Me Best, even just maybe a mini series, like a cooking series or something, I don't know. Anyways, round number 5? 4? Stocking. Oh gosh. Do I have a stocking fidget? Let me look in my noodles with my sticky, where my sticky hands are. I do in fact have a stocking sticky hand. It is right here. It is a stocking. Also, what I used to think, it's in my mochi drawer. I need to get more mochis. This drawer's like empty. I have something, yeah. Is this, I call this a stocking. Do you think it's a stocking or Santa's boot? It looks more like a Santa's boot. So. Number 5. Gingerbread. I do in fact have a gingerbread fidget. It is somewhere. Yeah, I think I have 2. This one, it's the same one, just different sizes. One small, one big. I'm going to do the one that I found. Okay, number 6. A bell. And also, I'll be filming that in my pocket drawer, in my mini pocket drawer. I have lots of these in my mini poppets. But anyway, a bell. Number 7. Empty spot. Empty spot. It gets harder and harder once there's more empty spots. From what I remember. Ooh, Santa Claus. Okay, let's go in my regular poppet drawer. Then a Santa Claus fidget. And also, I'm going to be bringing my Christmas fidgets to my grandma's house so we could do a video of me reviewing them together. And, yeah. So Santa puppet. And also, do you guys want to, since Toy Collector Season 2 is going to come soon, do you guys want to see a video of us doing a behind the scenes of planning it? Comment down below if you guys do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't like that meme thing. 6, 7. No, it's annoying. This is round 1, 2, 3, 8. Ooh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, look at that. I was right on top of my poppets. In my poppet drawer. Christmas tree. This is round 9. So we have something that says Merry Christmas. Snowman, Santa's boot, reindeer, and a wreath left on here. Something that says Merry Christmas, and I have one thing that says Merry Christmas in my fidget collection, and it's in my mini poppet drawer. It is right here. Something that says Merry Christmas. This is round 10. A wreath. I do in fact have a wreath. And it's in my PBJ drawer. Round 11. Yeah, around 11. So, I have a snowman, Santa's boot, and reindeer left on here. So, comment down below right now what it will land on. Either a snowman, Santa's boot, or a reindeer. So, comment a snowman if you think it's snowman. A reindeer emoji for a reindeer. And is there a Santa's boot emoji? Or a boot emoji? Or just comment down Santa, just for Santa's boot. I think it's going to land on snowman next. Empty spot. Empty spot. Empty spot. Empty spot. A reindeer. If I said reindeer, then you're gonna have good luck. Do I have a reindeer? Yes, I do. In my 3D poppet drawer. Right here. This is round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is round 12. Snowman and Santa's boot left. I still say snowman. Empty spot. Empty spot. Empty spot. Snowman. Then I'm going to go into my dimple. I have a Christmas dimple. There's snowman dimple. Okay, then the last one is Santa's boot, which I just picked up earlier. Right here. And that is it for the color wheel. So, sorry guys, my phone just went off. Anyways, I'm just going to show you guys what I just found and put them back. So, I found a boot. a few mini poppets, such as a Merry Christmas, gingerbread, a bell, a mitten, a candy cane, and a Santa hat. For my 3D poppets, I found a reindeer. For a dimple, I found a snowman. For a for a sticky hand, for a stocking. For a wreath, this PBJ. Then the 2 poppets, a Christmas tree, and a Santa Claus. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. So hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give a big thumbs up and comment down below if you guys want to see more color wheel videos in the future for like Valentine's Day, Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Halloween, and maybe another Christmas one. Anyways, yeah. I gotta get going, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.